Once you start the graphical user interface file, a control window with options and status displays will appear. Before running the simulation, you select the number of drones and the size of the search area. When that is set, you press Run Simulation, which launches the PyBullet environment with the chosen number of drones and the corresponding search grid. Inside the search area, a figure representing the lost person is placed. To begin the mission, press Start Search in the graphical user interface. Each drone is automatically assigned a section to search. And once a section is completed and the person is not found, it turns green. If a drone believes it has detected the person, it triggers a voting protocol. Three nearby healthy drones fly to the location to vote on whether the detection is accurate. If the group confirms it, the section turns gold for visualization, and all drones return home immediately to report the location of the lost person. Once the drones return to the home position, a window appears showing the coordinates of the lost person, X and Y, the section in which they were found, and the time it took to locate them. And that is it. Thank you for listening.